Hello everyone and welcome to the essential training of Moodle. I am Rabinwas Pahar, working as LMS admin at the Center of Distance Education of Sakhar IBA. I welcome you all on the very first videos of introduction to Moodle. I have created this PPT slides to have the basic concept of Moodle. So first of all, Moodle is an open source web application used to create interactive online learning sites. Who is Moodle? Moodle, that is the acronym for Modular Object Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. It is an online learning management system that helps teachers to create academic activities online. Why Moodle? It runs on almost all platforms, supporting a lot of useful functions and customization thanks to its modular structure. We can see that there are different modular structures which help us to view the upcoming events, search forums, recent activities, latest news, and many other features we will see on coming videos. And why Moodle? Thanks to its free nature. Though it's a open source project and runs on almost every platform, either it's a Windows based, Linux, Unix, or Macintosh based. What teachers can do with Moodle? They can create online courses, they can upload the files and lesson plans and lessons would be also in the doc files, PDF files, audio files, or video files. They can also upload the PPTs. The teachers can also create the open forums, discussion forums, where they will engage the students. They can create the online test and examinations. Teachers can divide the students into the classes. They can divide into the different groups. Like say if a teacher is teaching three classes, different classes, so he can divide his students into different groups. A teacher can also start the chat sessions, live chat sessions with the students using Moodle. What students can do with Moodle? Students can follow the lesson plans on the LMS Moodle. They can upload their homework and the test assignments. They can take parts into the forums. They can ask questions from the teacher, and they can also ask the questions from the other class fellows or students. They can also share their opinions with teachers or with other class fellows. They can also take part in the chat sessions with the students or with the teacher. Some more features. A forum. You can discuss with all other registered users about many issues. Like here we have seen the social forum, that is about the one topic that was discussed during the class. A chat. You can talk about what you want in real time with classmates and professors in the chat feature. Calendar. If the professor or teacher he wants to schedule the whole semester activities, then he can use the calendar feature and he can mark the dates on which coming week or on which coming month you want to create the quiz, you want to create the assignment, or he want to present the different topics to the student, so he may use the calendar feature. Lesson. Moodle provides teacher many ways to set up their own lessons and courses and to keep them under the control. Wiki and glossary. Collaboration is the keyword for Moodle, which has several functions to work in a group. If a teacher is teaching a theoretical conceptual lesson to the students, so he can create the glossary terms and he can share with them the few words, few vocab which would be unknown to the student. Features. The quiz feature of LMS is widely used in all over the world. Teacher can create all the familiar forms of assessment including true false, multiple choice, short answer, matching question, random questions, numerical questions, embedded answer questions with a descriptive text and graphs. File features help students or help teachers to locate their files on the LMS, so they can put their all documents, all the files on the desired lesson. The most widely used, most famous feature of the LMS Moodle is that learners can log in anytime, anywhere to interact with coursework and can specify the time zone and language they wish to use. Moodle has interface which support over 70 languages. It's a web-based, so they can access it from anywhere, either from their campus, either from their home, or while they are traveling to other city, they can access this. Email notification. When learners subscribe to forums, they are notified by email of new postings. Additionally, instructors can set email notifications for assignments. So enough with the theoretical concepts. Let's do the practical work. First of all, we have to visit the website of the LMS. The website of the LMS is lms.iba-suk.edu.pk. So we have to visit here. This is the official LMS website of the Sakhar IBA. We can see that there are site news, there are general news and announcements, LMS student manual, academic calendar, few other files. Then there are course categories, distance learning programs. Inside there we can see that MPhil in education and executive MBA programs. Then there are other regular programs, B.Ed programs, business administration, computer science department programs, electrical engineering programs. So this is the homepage of LMS used at Sakhar IBA. We can see that there is a calendar, and then we can see that there are available courses. So if we want to visit any course, we have to log in first. So once logged in, now we can visit any course and see what the activities a student or a teacher have using online courses. So this is the introduction to research course. So inside the homepage of the introduction to research, an online course created on Moodle at Sakhar IBA. So there are the news forum, and then there are social forum. A news forum will serve as a notice board. Teacher may share with the students on news forum. Then there is the social forum. Inside social forum, students can introduce themselves. Here we can see that introduce yourself. The teacher have shared with the student this social forum, which says tell us about a personal quality, talent, accomplishment, contribute, or experience that is important to you. You may use text, visuals, audio, or video. So there are different students who have shared and they have introduced themselves. So Rizwana Bashir have introduced herself on the social forum. Kamran Akhtar, Abdul Ghafoor, Mansoor Ahmad Mangalani, Imdad Hussain, Didar Ali, and Tahir Hussain. Let's see what Mansoor Ahmad Mangalani shared with them. So this is his profile. So it says, Salam everybody, this is Mansoor Ahmad Mangalani. So here goes my introduction. I am MA English, LLB and B.Ed. I run an English language center at my sweet hometown, Tul. This is the 6th year that I have been doing that. Thanks. Then there is Rizwana Bashir. I am Rizwana. I am a housewife and a mother to 2 kids. I had been a teacher. So this is Rizwana's introduction, and then other students, they may reply or they may also. So here Muhammad Nawaz, Jamali Saab have replied to the social forum post of Rizwan Bashir. So coming back to the introduction to research, then there are week 1 activities. So we can see that inside the week 1 activities, the teacher says to the students that we are interested in your ideas. Please fill in the information sheets in a way that it reflects you. So there, the two feedback forms have been shared with the students in order to know their expertise. So let's see what is inside the feedback form. Actually, this feedback form was created on 14th of December 2015, and it has ended now. The feedback is not open now, and the 11 students have participated in this feedback form. Then there are 22 questions inside this. If we want to see which questions are there, we can go, we can see, and if we want to see the analysis, we can also see. So this is the analysis: question 1, question 2, question 4, question 5. Each question's analysis is there. We can also go to the show responses and see who was responded. You see, now this tracks the students' approach. The Imdad Hussain have attempted this feedback form on Sunday 24th of January 2016. We can also see which are the non-respondents. So Mohammad Nawaz, Aga Ghulamand Pathan, Tahir Hussain and Tariq Ali, they have not yet responded to this feedback form. So teacher can analyze. So it helps teacher. Then there are week 2 activities. Inside week 2 activities, teacher have shared the Lightbox gallery with the students. Let's see. Lightbox gallery contains the pictures. Then there are a few comments by the students. Going back. Then there are few PDF files, and then there is a reflective discussion forum. There is week 3 activities. Again, a teacher have shared with the students PDF files. Then week 4 activities, PPT files, PDF files, and reading discussion forum. Then week 5 qualitative and quantitative research. A URL is shared with the student about the qualitative and quantitative research. Let's say visit this. So a student can visit this via logging into their course, and they may go to the respective site. So going back to our course.
What we're talking about is what happens in the world.
Then there are week 6 activities in midterm, and there are week 9 activities. If we visit reading discussion forum, what the students and teacher has interaction. A teacher has posted the question, how could you define action research? Then there are 6 replies. If we see which student have replied and what was his opinion. So the question was, how could you define action research? Sonu Jan have replied that action research is a process in which. So these are the, here on the reading discussion forum, a teacher and the student have interaction. Teacher engage with the discussion forums, and they ask the questions from student and they interact here. Then Mohammad Nawaz have also shared on this question. Then Imdad Hussain, Tahir Hussain, Didar Ali, Rizwan Bashir. Going back, we can see that on each question there are replies. So 6 replies on this question, 4 replies on the second question, 5 replies, 7 replies. Going back, then There are week 10 activities, then week 11 activities. In week 11 activities, we can see that teacher have embedded videos on this. Let's visit the Google Forum online survey. So this video have been embedded on this course regarding Google Forms online survey tool.
Welcome to a video explaining how to use the Google Forms tool. This was recorded in January 2014.
Going back to the introduction to research. Here, a teacher can view the full report of the recent activities by clicking here. Let's say if I am the teacher of this course and I wanted to create a quiz on the week 1 activity, then all I needed was to click here, the turn editing on. Now I can add an activity or resource in this week 1 activity. Same is the case with week 2 activities. Whenever I want to create any activity or resource, I have to just go to turn editing on and then come here and add an activity or resource. So I wanted to create a quiz on week 1. So coming to the week 1 and clicking on the add an activity. So there are different activities like the assignment activity, the chat activity, a choice, database, external tool, feedback, forum, glossary. Hotpot is a tool to create online quizzes. Then there is the quiz, which is embedded part of the Moodle. Let's click it. This says that the quiz activity enables a teacher to create quizzes comprising questions of various types, including multiple choice, matching, short answers, and numerical. All I have to click here, then the quiz would be created. Then again I have to import the questions. What would be the questions? So this was the first lesson, first video in which we had an overview of the theoretical concepts of the Moodle. Then we came to the live website of the Moodle, and then we visited the introduction to research course offered in MPhil in education, and then we saw the different activities which are used in this course, and the students have also been engaged in various activities, quiz activities, feedback forum activities, discussion forums, shared with the students the videos. So in the future video we will create a new course from the scratch, and we will see how to enroll students into that course and how to create such activities in the course. I hope you are enjoying, and we will see you again. We will meet again in our coming video. So thanks for your patience in watching the video. I hope you will join me on my coming video. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye.